Alright guys, I don't know if I'm live yet because everything keeps disconnecting, but hopefully this one will work, hopefully it'll stay live, and everything will be good. Let's continue this project. So, where did we leave off? So we have the student class, we have some getter functions created, and now what I want to focus on is updating the attendance and participation dictionaries for each student as soon as we read through each file. So basically, I think the way I'm going to have this project work is I want a function that once I have the course ID, so let's go here to get attendance sheets. Let me comment, well, let's read through this. So basically, right now the way it works is the user enters in a date, and what I want it to do after it reads in that file is, instead of just printing it back to us, because right now if I enter in a date, or I can just enter a letter in and it automatically defaults to March 25th, it shows us who's absent and who's not, which is working. But I want to change the approach that I've been using so that instead of using the dictionary, oh, this doesn't actually do any, well, no, what this output right here is actually from get present students for date. So which one am I calling? I'm calling get present students. I'm not even using get attendance sheets. I'm using this. It asks the user for a day. We have a dictionary. And it checks to see if the entered feedback from the user is a day. If not, it defaults to March 25th. Then it opens up that file given by the user, and it basically checks to see if a student's name is inside of the row from the attendance report. So basically, if the name is my name reads, then it'll check to see if Eid appears inside of any of these lines. So it'll find this line, it'll say Eid appears in this line, and then it changes, it sets me to being present. Whereas if it goes through the whole thing, doesn't find me, then I'm absent, and I would show up at the very bottom as absent. These two students are actually present for that specific date. The only issue is that they spelled their names differently inside of Zoom as opposed to how their names are given inside of the student list sheet, which is a problem that we need to fix. So before continuing, actually, this is kind of a dumb way to quote unquote fix things, but I'm basically going to say if self.name, or it's okay, if this right here, this is such a dumb way to fix it, is equal to ASMA apostrophe capital A. Oh, we need to actually use double quotes because the name literally has an apostrophe. If their name is equal to that, then I'm going to return the way that they tend to type it on Zoom instead. So she types it as, where are you? No. I don't think she's in that one. Maybe she's on this sheet. Yeah, so 2 A's, but just no apostrophe. So that's what I'm going to return. I'm going to return ASMAA, and then elif, same thing as this, but instead of asma, it's going to be barat. And then what we're going to do is return the way he spells it, which is B-A-R-A, I think. Let me double check. So we go here. Let's find how he spells his name. Yeah, B-A-R-A, B-A-R-A, fantastic. And then if it's anybody else in the class, we're just going to return So that is looking good. That should be fixing one bug that we currently have, I think. We'll test it in a second. Now we just have to update the way we're checking to see if people are present. Oh, what's up, Ethan? You're back. How was class, brother? Try OBS, bro. I am using OBS. I'm using like Streamlabs OBS or something. I think that, yeah, Streamlabs OBS. And it just keeps crashing on me. Like, I wish it would just kind of like pause the stream if my internet was lagging, but it just cuts it out completely. And it makes me like make a whole new stream to continue, which is getting pretty annoying, to be honest. It's getting very annoying. Oh, dude, people are watching the stream. What is up, guys? Welcome to the stream, my friends. Welcome, welcome. So yeah, I'm gonna continue this project in literally 1 second. I'm just gonna post on my Instagram for whoever wants to join the stream. Copy the link, hop on Instagram, and paste it on in there. Are you from Israel? I am not from Israel. Do I sound like I'm from Israel? But I'm assuming you are, because your name's in Hebrew. Alright, we got the Instagram almost posted. And yeah, let's continue this. Hopefully I don't cut out in 3 seconds. That would really suck. Anybody? Can you guys hear my voice? Hopefully. Maybe. I don't know. But yeah, so now that we've updated the get first name and we've like fixed these 2 errors, the next thing that we should be changing this function right here. Right now I'm using the student's dictionary, but I instead want to use the student list and get each person's first name and just check to see if that first name is inside of